If you need to recover your Peacock account but don't have access to your phone number, follow these steps to regain access. Step 1. Visit the Peacock login page. Go to the official Peacock website and click on the login option. Look for the Forgot Password link to begin the recovery process. Step 2. Enter your email address. Input the email address associated with your Peacock account. Make sure it is the correct one to ensure you receive the recovery instructions. Step 3. Check your email. Look for an email from Peacock with instructions on how to reset your password. This email may take a few minutes to arrive, so be patient and check your spam folder if you don't see it. Step 4. Follow the reset instructions. Click on the link provided in the email to reset your password. You will be prompted to create a new password. Choose a strong password that you haven't used before. Step 5. Log in with your new password. Return to the Peacock login page and enter your email and the new password you just created. You should now have access to your account. If you encounter any issues during this process, consider reaching out to Peacock's customer support for further assistance.